In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Hostinger's platform and find the SSH access details for your website. Whether you're a beginner or someone just looking for a little refresher, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity. Let's get started. First, you need to head to Hostinger's website. Open your preferred browser and type in hpanel.hostinger.com to access the Hostinger dashboard. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface. Something that's really great about Hostinger, it keeps everything quite straightforward. This homepage is where all your websites and actions begin. Now, let's move on to the dashboard. Direct your attention to the top menu and simply click on Dashboard. This is where you'll find all your essential tools and options displayed in a way that allows you to manage your site efficiently. There's no clutter, which makes it perfect for quickly locating what you need. The focus here is ensuring you have everything close at hand as you embark on managing your web space. Next, you want to locate the Advanced section, which is vital for accessing more detailed settings. Still within your website's dashboard, just find and click on the Advanced tab. This section is a treasure trove of additional features and options that offer deeper customization and control over your website. Hostinger neatly organizes these settings so you're not overwhelmed and can get right to what you're looking for. After clicking Advanced, you'll see a list of options available to enhance and customize your website's performance. From here, locate and click on SSH Access. SSH, or Secure Shell Access, is a network protocol that allows you to perform secure operations over an unstable network. This option is crucial if you plan on executing commands or scripts on your server remotely and securely. Once you're in the SSH Access section, you'll need to gather the necessary connection details. The first of these details is the server's IP address. You'll find an option labeled IP. Clicking on it will reveal the specific IP address you'll need for your secure connection. It's important to note this down somewhere safe for when you're setting up your connection, as this is the digital address that directs you to your specific server. Following this, it's time to grab your username. In the same SSH Access section, you'll see a label for username. This is the specific identifier you use in conjunction with the IP address to securely access your site via SSH. Like with your IP, jot this down alongside your other details to ensure a smooth setup later. By the end of these steps, you've successfully located your SSH access information in Hostinger. These details are vital for securely managing your website's backend directly from your computer. Remember, maintaining a secure connection through SSH is incredibly beneficial, especially if you plan to manage your server in a more hands-on way. With that, you're all set to take your first steps into secure remote management. Thanks for tuning into this Hostinger guide, and happy hosting!